Hello, my fellow YouTubers. Tell me what your feeling is every time you see a failed print like this.
You are not alone. It is frustrating, especially after long hours of anxious waiting. Most of the print failure, however, are caused by one issue. The print didn't stick to the build plate very well.
In this video, I'm going to show you 5 tips to make your 3D print stick to the bed better and eventually to improve your print success rate. The sand-blasted texture has a lot of micro grooves and bumps that help grip the bottom of your print more firmly than the smooth surface. Although the smooth surface often delivers fair results, the texture surface stands out for bigger print jobs that usually take very long time. I guess the smooth surface eventually loses its attraction after hours of shaking and vibration.
So I took the plate out and ready to remove the finished jobs of the plate. Since there's no glue on it, the prints are very easy to get off. Look at this. Just bend it slightly. They will detach from the plate right away. Easy to clean without glue. But at the same time, it also tells you that they are not sticking to the plate very well. So there's a chance they may fall off during print. So the best practice is to give your plate a very thin layer of school glue that will guarantee a good adhesiveness on the base of print, which will make it stay on the print during the whole job and never comes off. Everything stays on the plate very well because a good layer of glue has been generously applied, and that's how it turned out. So this is a plate just got off the print after a print job. As you can see, there are quite a lot of glue residue on it. If you see a plate end up in this type of situation, I would recommend give it a clean wash and start fresh. After washing and drying, your plate is almost like brand new to give you a fresh start on a new print. You may have already noticed the thin, flat layer of material that is printed around the base of the object. This is not part of my design, but a mechanism introduced by the slicer software called brim. Brim increases the surface area of your print that touches the build plate in order to enhance the adherence. Brim is especially useful when the print object is tall and thin.
Last but not least, always use fresh new filament. If you have to store them, keep them in a dry location or use Ziploc bags. The filament tends to absorb moisture from air, and unfortunately, the higher moisture level it is, it will deteriorate the quality of the filaments, making them harder to stick to the bed. Alright, thank you for watching my video. If you're also interested in various ways of store your filaments properly, please stay tuned for my next episode. See you there. Bye.